What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another trading update. I'm Lorenzo. Yes, the reason why you click on this video is to know the reason why Apex denied my payout. I will go into that shortly. However, before I get into that, let's go over my monthly performance. Okay, as you can see, for the month of April, my portfolio sits at over 1.1 million with a P&L percentage of 2.15. So currently I have a total profit of $25,224 for the month of April. Okay, with my best day being $5,197. I have completed 10 trading days so far in April, with my worst day being $22.58. So currently my monthly P&L is around $17,231. And so far the month is going good. I have completed my second week of trading and I have finished the week green. That's all that matters. Green is always good. So let's get into the meat of the matter as to the reason why Apex kind of denied me. Okay. Now we all know trading, futures involves a lot of risk. So any information that you see on here should only be taken as informational purpose only and not for financial advice. Now with Apex has its own set of rules if you decided to go with Apex, right? The first rule is make sure that you trade an active of 10 active trading days. Okay. And secondly, you have to meet the safety threshold on your account based on your account size, right? So in my case, I was only trading 150K accounts. I have multiple 150K accounts, and Apex wants you to have a threshold first before you can request a payout. So for the 150K, you have to make 5,100. Okay. And after you've met the safety threshold, then you can request payout between two different windows. The first window is between the 1st to the 5th, or the second window between the 15th and the 20th of each month. Okay. Now, after you've met those three criteria, you also have to keep into consideration that they also have a 30% consistency rule, which means out of that 10 days, you cannot have a single day that is more than 30% of the total profit for that 10 days. Okay. Now, I completely understand this rule. However, I was still able to get one of my payout requests denied. Okay. So let's go through the stats right here. So as you can see, I have 4 accounts that was above the threshold. 4 accounts, as you can see, the first one being 5,146. And so pretty much I was excited going into April, knowing that I'm able to request 4 different payouts of $2,750. Now it was on the 9th day. Now the 10th day, only 3 of those made it to payout, right? So I was able to make a request on 3 of those accounts. Now, after you've put in a request, my accounts went under review. For some reason, I don't know why. So as you can see, I made a payout request on April the 1st, right? And it was under review for around 8 days. And then during that 8-day period, I got impatient and I started trading these accounts just to record a trade and have, a registered trading day so I can make it to the next payout for the second window between the 15th and the 20th. As a result of that, I end up blowing one of those accounts, as you can see here. So only 2 of those 3 requests that I sent in got approved. And as you can see, only these 2 second accounts right here got approved. Now, it took Apex 8 days for them to complete the review and then approve my accounts. Now, if the review was shorter than 8 days, I would have gotten, a third payout right here. But nonetheless, I'm still grateful. Now, after the 8 days, they approved it. The same day, I got an email saying that it was approved. And within around 5 hours later, they said that the payment was sent and I should wait for around 3 to 7 business days to get the deposit in my bank account. As you can see here, I was also able to receive 2 payout certification. So I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful for that. So the lesson learned is that whenever you are submitting a payout request, always make sure that the request is approved before you started trading. However, if you want to go ahead and still continue to trade while waiting for the request to be approved, make sure that is very conservative, maybe switching to the micro instead of the mini. Okay. In my case, I was just being impatient and I decided to trade the account anyway. As a result of that, I blew 2 of those PAs that was pending for approval, So I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. Lesson learned is that don't trade those PAs whenever you submit your payout request. Okay. But so far, I'm very grateful. My account balance is sitting really, really high. I'm looking to get a second payout. As you can see at the bottom here, all of these accounts right here, I have 7 accounts that can make it to the next payout window. If these 7 accounts make it to the next payout window, that should give me a total of around 17,000 in payout. Okay. So even though I blew 2 of those PAs that I requested payout on, I still have the opportunity to request 17 more thousand. So hopefully I can take those to payout and just continue so I can just keep uploading and inspire you guys. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. Stay safe. May the markets be with you. Peace. I'm out.